a short video clip about constants and variables. We are already familiar with the numbers. We have been using numbers in different situations. In arithmetic especially, we add, subtract, multiply, divide numbers, and we all the time use them. So numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, any number. 1 means it is 1. If somebody says I have one object, that means there is just only one object. We can easily say how much is that. If somebody says 4 apples, means there can be only 4 apples, it cannot be 5. If somebody says 6, that means 6. It means these numbers have fixed values. Those values cannot be changed. These are called constants, whose values remain always same. 1 is always 1. 1 cannot be 2. 1 cannot be 3. 5 is always 5. So these are called constants. So constants are the numbers whose values remain same always. On the other hand, variables are the letters we suppose to represent some quantity. Variables such as x, y, z and so on. These letters can represent some values. Suppose in this classroom there are 10 students, and if I say suppose this class has x students, the value of x becomes 10. If I earn rupees y in a month, then that y has a value. Suppose if I earn 10,000 rupees in a month, and I say I earn rupees y in a month, then the value of y becomes 10,000 rupees. In the next example, I can say I earn rupees y in a year, then the value of y becomes different. If I earn 10,000 rupees in a month, and in a year I earn 120,000 rupees, then the value of y becomes 120,000. So such numbers which are used to represent some quantity, some amount, are called variables. So variables have different values in different situation, in different examples. Here the value of x cannot be always 10. The value of x can be sometimes 10, sometimes 12, sometimes -5 and so on. These are called variables. So to conclude, constants have the same values always. Variables can have different values in different situations.